Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how you can lock your TikTok application on your iPhone with Passcode and Face ID. So first thing you have to do here is just open your shortcut application. It could be symbolized with this icon. So you just need to tap into this search button here as shortcuts, and then you will got this, then tap it to open it. And the next thing you need to do is just go visit the automation in the middle sections right here, and go click this plus button to create a new automation. And the next you just need to scroll all the way down until you got the app, and then you just need to tap it, and then you just need to go click is open rather than is closed, and change from run after a confirmation to run immediately. And the next thing you need to do is just go choose the application. Since you want to lock the TikTok, so you just need to find TikTok and then just tap it. Now you just need to go tap down. The next you just need to tap next, and you just need to go click add new blank automation, and then go click plus add actions, and you just need to type here lock screen. And now you got them, just go tap it, and you just need to go tap down. So whenever you open your TikTok application, then your phone gonna be locked. You need to enter your passcode or give your Face ID to open the TikTok. Let's just try that. Let's open the TikTok. It's locked. And then you just need to add the passcode or the Face ID. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy, and let's meet again into other tutorial.